In this video, I'll show you how to fix a card declined error on Western Union step by step. By the way, if you run a business, Western Union probably isn't the best option for you. But I'll explain more about that later in the video. In order to fix the card declined error on Western Union, first open the Western Union app or website and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, go to the Send Money section and review the payment method you are using for the transfer. Start by checking your card details. Make sure the card number, expiration date, CVV, and billing address are entered correctly. Even a small mistake in these details can cause the transaction to be declined. Next, verify that your card has sufficient funds and is allowed for online or international transactions. Some banks automatically block international payments or transfers for security reasons, which can cause the card to be declined. Another step is to contact your bank or card provider. Sometimes the bank may decline the transaction due to security checks or unusual activity. By contacting them, you can confirm whether the payment was blocked and ask them to allow the transaction. You should also check if your Western Union account is fully verified. In some cases, transfers may fail if the account requires identity verification. If prompted, complete the verification by confirming your personal details or uploading a valid ID. If the card continues to be declined, try using another payment method, such as a different debit or credit card or a bank account. Switching to another payment option can often resolve the issue quickly. Finally, make sure your internet connection is stable and try the transaction again. A temporary app or network issue can sometimes interrupt the payment process. Western Union is decent, but personally, I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. There's a link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, Airwallex is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world, in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what Western Union offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed Airwallex review covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.